The final days of summer always bring a unique kind of excitement to the North Georgia mountains. The air turns cooler, evenings arrive a little sooner, and there's an unmistakable sense that fall is on its way. For riders, this shift in the season isn't just a change in temperature, it's an invitation. The winding roads and gravel trails of the mountains begin to feel fresh again, free from the heavy heat of July and August and ready to be explored for hours on end. The REVR V5 Pro off-road e-bike steps into this moment as a machine built for the terrain and the season, offering riders the ability to climb, descend, and cover ground without hesitation. Designed with equal attention to raw motor strength and terrain management, the V5 Pro isn't just an e-bike for city streets or smooth paths. It's engineered for landscapes that test both rider and machine, and nowhere is that more evident than in the mountains of North Georgia. Here, paved roads rarely remain smooth for long. Gravel paths climb steeply towards ridges, and hard-packed trails can give way to loose rock and clay in an instant. The V5 Pro's design addresses these challenges head-on, and in doing so, it opens the door to long, rewarding rides just as the best riding season of the year begins. Alright, let's get this thing unboxed. Unboxing the bike is straightforward, and all necessary tools for assembly are included. First, I remove the packaging straps and open the box by carefully removing the tape and pulling the box free of the staples. Then I laid the box down. I slid the e-bike out carefully, stand the e-bike up and remove all zip ties and protective foam, revealing the sleek design of the REVR V5 Pro e-bike. Install the handlebars by loosening the bolts on the bike stem, centering the handlebars and rotating them to align with your preferred riding position before tightening the bolts securely. For the front wheel, loosen the bolts on the protective bar on the front fork. Add the front wheel and tighten the bolts to ensure it is secure. The pedals are clearly marked for the left and right sides, matching the pedal stems. Screw in the pedals and use a wrench to further tighten them easily. Install the front headlamp by loosening the bolts on the fork brace, attaching the headlamp, and then adjusting its orientation to face forward. Alright, let's take this thing for a ride. The bike's 750 watt brushless motor sets the tone for its entire performance profile. On paved climbs where grades ride sharply and rhythm is easily broken, the motor provides steady support that smooths the effort and maintains flow. Instead of struggling through uneven climbs, the rider feels lifted into them, able to focus on cadence and line rather than sheer exertion. On gravel fire roads and ridgeline connectors, where traction is often compromised, the motor delivers torque with precision. Rather than overwhelming the tires with surges of power, it feeds in smoothly, allowing the aggressive tread on the 20 by 4 inch Kenda Fat tires to maintain consistent grip. This balance between power and control is especially valuable in a region where terrain can shift suddenly. One moment solid gravel, the next a patch of sandy wash or loose stone. When the road points downward, the V5 Pro proves just as capable. On mixed surfaces, a transition from pavement to gravel mid-turn can unsettle less refined e-bikes. Here, the bike's combination of weight distribution, motor responsiveness, and tire traction works to maintain composure, letting the rider carve through confidently instead of second-guessing. The result is a ride that feels planted and predictable in the mountains, where unpredictability is the rule. A long-range battery is the difference between short out and back trips and true exploration. The V5 Pro's 48-volt, 18-amp, removable lithium-ion pack, capable of delivering up to 60 miles per charge, expands what is possible in the mountains. Riders can leave paved roads behind and still travel deep into remote areas without the stress of running out of power before returning. The removable design is practical, especially for those planning multiple rides over a weekend. A quick swap keeps the adventure alive, and the confidence of having ample range allows riders to linger longer on the trail. With fall approaching, Cooler temperatures encourage extended time outdoors, and the V5 Pro is equipped to match that rhythm, powering rides that stretch from crisp mornings into early autumn evenings. The mountains of North Georgia are not gentle on equipment. Roots snake across gravel paths, rocks scatter across trails, and asphalt breaks under the weight of seasonal weather shifts. The V5 Pro addresses these realities with a dual suspension system, a hydraulic front fork, and a rear coil shock. This setup makes an immediate difference in control and comfort. Sharp impacts from rocks and ruts are absorbed pretty nicely before they can rattle through to the handlebars, and rolling bumps are smoothed out pretty significantly by the rear shock. The combination keeps the bike stable over surfaces that might otherwise cause fatigue or hesitation. It also frees the rider to choose a more natural line, no longer forced to tiptoe around imperfections. The ergonomic extended saddle adds to this comfort, reducing pressure during long seated climbs and distributing weight evenly. Together, the suspension and the saddle create a platform that feels suited to full-day rides. With cooler weather on the horizon, that kind of endurance becomes increasingly valuable. Tire performance often makes or breaks an off-road ride, especially in the mountains, where the ground is rarely consistent. The V5 Pro's 20 by 4 inch Kenda fat tires are fitted with deep knobby treads designed to dig in across gravel, clay, and rock. Their wide footprint distributes pressure evenly, helping to prevent sinking into softer surfaces like sand or damp soil while still maintaining a strong bite. In early fall, conditions can vary from dry and dusty to damp and slick, depending on the day. Fat tires like these excel in both extremes. On hard-packed gravel, they reduce rolling resistance and deliver traction on climbs. On damp mornings, they offer stability that builds confidence, keeping the rider in control when traction is otherwise uncertain. This adaptability ensures that the rider doesn't need to obsess over road conditions. The bike is ready either way. Descending winding mountain roads requires as much trust in the brakes as the motor. The V5 Pro is equipped with 180mm hydraulic disc brakes, a system that provides both raw stopping power and fine modulation. On steep pavement, the brakes manage speed predictably, slowing the bike smoothly instead of abruptly. On gravel descents, where traction is more fragile, the brakes allow precise control, reducing the risk of locking up wheels and sliding. This confidence in braking is key in autumn, when road conditions can shift quickly throughout the day. Whether riding in dry dust or after a passing mountain shower, the brakes respond consistently, giving riders the freedom to push further without second-guessing their safety on the way back down. The Shimano's 7-speed drivetrain ensures that the rider always has the right gear for the terrain. On steep climbs, lower gears combined with pedaling assist allow for a smooth cadence, keeping effort manageable while the motor does the heavy lifting. On flatter stretches of pavement, higher gears let the rider pedal efficiently without spinning out. Pedal assist offers riders 5 levels of support, giving riders control over how much effort they would like to contribute. This flexibility is especially useful in mountainous terrains where climbs, descents, and rolling roads follow one another in quick succession. The ability to increase support on a tough incline and then ease off to conserve battery on smoother grounds keeps rides efficient and enjoyable. With fall arriving, the North Georgia mountains becomes a playground for riders eager to experience cooler weather and longer rides. The REVR V5 Pro is perfectly aligned with this seasonal shift. The bike's range supports day-long explorations, its suspension makes rough terrain approachable, and its motor power turns steep climbs into rewarding challenges rather than exhausting barriers. Autumn riding is about more than just covering distance. It's about experiencing the environment in its transitional state. The shorter days and cooler air create a mood that makes every ride feel special, and the V5 Pro provides the means to experience it fully. Whether tracing winding roads that snake along ridges or rolling through gravel connectors deep in the woods, the bike transforms the change of season into an opportunity to explore more deeply. As the days grow shorter and the nights grow longer, the likelihood of riding into evening increases. The V5 Pro is equipped with an enlarged LED headlight that extends visibility in low light, ensuring that riders can continue confidently as dusk approaches. Paired with reflective tire profiles and reliable braking, the lighting system creates peace of mind for those who want to maximize their riding window during the fall months. Every element of the V5 Pro reflects intentionality. The alloy frame balances durability with manageable weight. The ergonomic saddle aligns with the bike's long-range ambitions, and the removable battery underscores convenience. Even the control layout and display clarity highlight the focus on real-world usability. Rather than feeling like a collection of components assembled into a bike, the V5 Pro operates as a cohesive system. Each piece reinforces the others, creating a riding experience that feels complete and capable of meeting the demands of mountainous terrain. The REVR V5 Pro off-road e-bike delivers where it matters most, in the mountains. Motor support on steep climbs, control on mixed terrain, comfort over long distances, and braking confidence on descents. It is not a bike meant to be confined to flat pavement or casual paths. Instead, it is a tool for exploration designed to thrive on the demanding roads and trails of North Georgia. As fall approaches, bringing with it cooler days and the promise of longer, more enjoyable rides, the V5 Pro is positioned as the perfect companion. It transforms the challenges of mountainous terrain into opportunities, making every winding road and gravel stretch an invitation rather than an obstacle for riders eager to embrace the new season and push deeper into the mountains. The REVR V5 Pro is ready. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny signing off. We'll see you on the next one.